Bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar. Yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey Beat and Bombays, Renee Mar here, and I'm back with another bomb video. I know you're like, girl, where are your lashes? Don't you sell lashes? I am doing a liner review today. When I first started doing makeup, I really did a lot of research on products that were really good. I made sure that all the products that I used were rated 4.5 and up when I really first started using makeup. And one of those items that I purchased was the NYX's eyeliner, and this came in the color jet black. When I tell you that the liner was the blackest of black, it literally glided on your face. It did not smudge throughout the day, things like that. Like, it just didn't do that. It did kind of get dry really quickly if you left the cap off, and I was not really able to revive this. They don't sell it anymore. Like, I literally looked on all types of websites. I looked on Google. You know, Google has everything, okay? But they no longer sell it in stores. I don't even think that they sell it online. The only place that you can really get this liner, the NYX liner, is on Poshmark. I saw it, and I believe that it was used. I've been looking for a jet black liner ever since, because you know your girl is cheap, so your girl ain't spending too much money. I do believe that I have come across the affordable drugstore Swatch, y'all, okay? Yeah, this is by L'Oreal. This is called L'Oreal's Infallible 24-hour. We're gonna swatch this out today. So I'm gonna use a sticker for one eye, and then for the other eye, I'm gonna just go ahead and freehand it. And I brought my handy dandy angle brush. This baby is handy for anything and all things, okay? Yes, I'm loving the consistency. It's looking black on my palette. Nice little angle. I'm going mid sticker. Wow, I can see that already. Ooh, wow, this liner is really like hugging the shape of my eyes. Look. Like, for real, sis. All right, so I did that with a sticker. I'm gonna freehand this one. And go, make it similar. Do I even eat lashes? Of course I do. Oh, that feels so much better. Want to see the glow up? That's thanks to Minx Monthly. We sell 3D, 4D, 5D, and 6D lashes at affordable rate. And these are my 5th dimensional lashes. These are called 3-Day Weekend. Everybody loves 3-Day Weekend, so 3-Day Weekend. Thank you for tuning in to another bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. I'll also be doing bomb beauty tips on my social media at grenade_mar. We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are.
BOOYAW! Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Grenade Mar. Yeah, Grenade Mar.